We're a full-service virtual bookkeeping firm here to help you bring profit to your business and eliminate the time and burden of bookkeeping from you. I've been asked a few times just this week on what reports your CPA is going to be wanting from you as a small business. So I thought I would create a visual video and show you the reports and point out some areas that you might want to make sure are taken care of. This one is the profit and loss. You're going to want your profit and loss, balance sheet, general ledger, W3, W2, and the bank reconciliations. That's the most common. So let's start with the profit and loss. You want to make sure that it's January through December 2019. Here you can see we've got the income, labor, and you want to make sure that if you have this on your profit and loss statement that it does equal zero. If it does not, then we have to make sure that you go and apply. That means you have cash not being applied to an invoice. There's your gross profit. Here are your expenses. And then the net income. So he's going to want this report for the entire year. Then we'll pop over to the balance sheet. Again, as of December 31st, 2019, one thing to look for, make sure your undeposited funds equals zero. Obviously this does not, so there's an issue. If you're an attorney and you have your trust funds accountability in with your corporate books, you must make sure that your trust account balance matches to the penny your trust account liability. For an example, if this company had their trust account bank account here, it would say trust bank account equals $30,000 under current assets. And also under other current liabilities, trust account liability $30,000 is listed as a current liability, so those two balance. That's important. Another thing, if you have any fixed assets that you purchased during the year, he's going to want the detail on those. So this is your balance sheet. General ledger. Some ask for it, some do not. It is a good practice, again, throughout the year, so that they can see each and every transaction, eliminating phone calls between the two of you. We talked about the undeposited funds. Well, here's the two issues here that you need to go and research. The fixed asset, you can see here, and the date it was purchased. Again, flowing through. That way they can see all of the activity. Another thing, if you are running payroll, that they're going to want to see is the 2020 W3 that you had submitted by January 31st and the corresponding W2s for each employee. They may also ask for a bank reconciliation for year ending as of 12/31/2019 so that they know that your bank is balanced. These are just the common reports that are normally asked for. They may ask for other things, but you'll be prepared for that. However, if you should not be prepared and you need help with any of these things, or you need help with cleaning up your books, just call out to our website, the contact page, www.bookkeepingconfidential.com, and I hope this was very helpful to you.